The LG Wing, one of my favorite phones, period. The only phone that has such a uniqueness about it that every tech enthusiast love. But how has it held up over time? Let's find out. What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I've been having two LG Wings for about 10 months. Let me give you my thoughts about these devices. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So let's get the prelims out the way. Let me answer some questions. Should you buy LG Wing in 2021? My answer to the question is simple. If you are a tech enthusiast that like a unique device, a one-of-a-kind device that's creative in so many ways, then the answer to that question is yes. But if you are an average consumer that like regular style devices and don't want all this other crazy stuff, flipping the device up and down and having too many ways you can open the device and stuff, a heavy, bulky, flipping the device up and down, you don't like that type of stuff, then no, this is not the phone for you. Next, what is the cost of the LG Wing right now as of me recording this video, almost 9 months into 2021? Well, I found the LG Wings online for about $430 to $450. I will leave those links down below if you're interested in getting the LG Wing. And lastly, is the LG Wing getting support? And the answer to that question is yes and no. The LG Wing right now, these two devices, is on Android 10, which is bad, but it has July 2021 security patch, which is good. So is the device getting software updates? Yes and no. It's getting bug fixes and security patches, but not OS updates. Okay, so since we got all the prelims out the way, how has the LG Wing been holding up for me in the past 10 months? And the short answer is great. The LG Wing is a collectible masterpiece, which is beautiful. I mean, a beautiful design. I really do like it. One of the best things that I like about this device is the 1080p display. And I say this and I keep saying this over and over and over. The LG displays has been underrated for a very long time. And the LG Wing display is absolutely beautiful with its huge 6.8-inch full vision display. All right, with no hole punch, no notches, no nothing interrupting the display. You know why? Because the LG Wing has a pop-up camera. Even though this device have a 60 Hertz display, right, it's still really good. Very detailed blacks and very good vibrant colors. So I like the displays on the LG Wing. It's been very good. So the LG Wing got a 765G processor with 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. We got SD card support. As far as performance, this device flies. I have no issues, no stuttering, no hiccups. I mean, look, I've watched full videos at the top display and playing games or getting work done with the bottom display with no issues. This device is not a Galaxy S21 Ultra. This device doesn't have the 865 processor. It does not have the 888 processor. So make sure we understand something here. It has a 765G processor, and LG optimized this device very well to run really good. So put that into terms, this device will run good no matter what. So one of the things that I love about the LG Wing is the cameras. Look, LG have done something unique with this device, right? If you want to use the LG cameras, this is the normal camera. It's fine. This device can shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second. It also has some unique features like cine shot, manual video, slow-mo, and more. But the standout feature of the LG Wing, one of the things that I really do love about this phone is gimbal mode, which brings in a steady gimbal feature like no other. It keeps the phone balanced if you are using it to kind of do some filming. For filmmakers, right? If you're a content creator, you would love gimbal mode on this device. The only problem is it's capped out at 1080p, but that's no issue. This device still runs really good at 1080p. Let me show you this device in action using gimbal mode and some still footage with the LG Wing. So check this out. Okay, so let's talk about battery life. The LG Wing has a 4,000 milliamp battery. And look, I really never talk about battery life on my reviews. It's because I usually keep about 3 or 4 phones with me at all times. So I never personally have an issue with battery life on no phones. With all that saying, I haven't had any just drastic battery drains with my LG Wing. It's held up pretty well. It gets me through the day, but once again, a disclaimer, I keep about 3 or 4 phones in my pocket, baby. So when it comes down to battery life, I never have problems with battery life just because I keep so many devices with me at all times. So let me give you my conclusion. I have 2 LG Wings here. And the reason why is because I'm a fan of unique things. I'm an LG fan and I'm a collector. Now everything is not rosy about the LG Wing. Let's talk about some of the cons. The LG Wing doesn't have a headphone jack. Think about it. You want to use the device as a content creator, and every LG device have a headphone jack, but the LG Wing does not. And that's mind-boggling that this device doesn't have a headphone jack, especially if it's targeted towards filmmakers. Next, this phone is heavy, 260 grams. To put that in perspective, the Galaxy S21 Ultra is 227 grams and the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is 282 grams. So it's in between both of those devices. It's a heavy device for sure. Next thing is software updates. Look, we know that LG mobile department is closed. Even though I'm getting bug fixes and security patches, look, the LG Wing running Android 10, my devices running Android 10, it's almost 2 operating systems behind. Look, LG promised software updates and a possible OS update, but this device haven't saw no OS updates since Android 10. Now I know that a lot of people have been saying that they have gotten Android 11 on their devices. I'm not sure about that. I have the T-Mobile variant, I have the Verizon wireless variant, and both of them is on Android 10. So maybe there's other variants out there that's on Android 11, but rest assured that the T-Mobile and Verizon wireless Wing is on Android 10. Overall, I really do like the LG Wing, and I'm glad that I have them as a collector's item, and I'm going to continue to give you guys updates about all my LG devices that I have in my arsenal. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG Wing in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.